yet somehow he was just fine. Well over $1.2 million. And a lot of people just don't know how these work. And so if they're right half the time, then we're all just as good as them, aren't we? Hey there, John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm going to be talking about a couple that I am helping right now. They are purchasing an annuity, and they're going to get $41,000 per year in lifetime income. They're going to start that in 3 years. So they're relatively young. They're in their early 60s, and they're using about $450,000 from a 401k. So, which is phenomenal. I mean, they're going to take out over the next 30 years well over $1.2 million. They live longer, they're going to take out more. So it's something I talk about a lot, especially when I chat with people about annuities, especially about income annuities. I will typically talk about the income rider, because the income rider will typically pay out the most. Here, I'm in the shade here. Let me see if I can find a different spot. So I'm in the woods. As you can see, I am actually by Lake Tahoe, about 30 minutes south. I'm by Carson River and enjoying the views. And I wanted to tell you just a story about my clients who are actually using annuities for their lifetime income. And a lot of people just don't know how these work, and that's why I'm here to kind of explain how they do work. And I just saw this huge bird fly off of the water here. So look at this. Look at this beautiful water. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I just kind of find these places, you know. I like to come out here with my kids. I haven't been to this particular spot yet. This would be a fun spot to take them. But it's just so pretty. So pretty, it's so peaceful. So, speaking of peaceful, if you want to be peaceful, I always like to use analogies. If you want to have a peaceful retirement, have guaranteed income. That's what I'm trying to say, okay? If you want some peace, if you want to have less stress, then quit trying to get all of your lifetime income from the stock market. I love the stock market. Okay, I love it. I've got money in it too. Okay, I always will. But I like to have annuities for income. They have purpose as well, okay? You've got people out there that are like, oh, mutual funds are the way to go, and stocks and annuities are horrible because you don't make very much money. And I'm like, well, yeah, I guess if you're only looking for growth. But you're not looking for growth. Usually you're looking for income. You're looking for guarantees, okay? You can get growth. I mean, right now you can get 6% a year. That's pretty good. If you want a growth annuity, and I mean, that's better than a CD. You can also get annuities that'll give you a portion of the index, not all of it, and still do pretty good. I mean, there are years when you're getting 60% of the S&P, you're still making 14%, okay? And then there are years where you're not making anything, but you're not losing anything because the market's down. So do yourself a favor and provide yourself some guaranteed income, some guarantees, even guaranteed growth or market protection, whatever you're looking for. But it's nice to be able to have that as part of your portfolio. It doesn't have to be all of it, but it's nice to have it as a portion of it so that you have that peace of mind. So it makes you a better investor. You can think straight when the market's down. You don't like sell when you know you're not supposed to. And it's easier to do that when you have an annuity contract. Okay? When you have pension income coming in, it's just a whole lot easier to do that. So, and that's why I'm an advocate for this. I think it's really important. Obviously, I'm biased. I make money selling annuities. That's what I do. But I've been trained to manage money. I could always go in and manage money and charge people a 1% fee and get licensed for that. But I don't do that. I don't need to do that. There are other people that can do that for you. And in my opinion, you don't need that either. You could literally just invest yourself. I mean, I throw my money in the S&P 500 and I don't pay anyone a fee. I just throw it in and I leave it alone and I don't worry about it. I've paid advisors huge fees that were supposedly good, and then they weren't. None of them could outperform the market. And most can't. Most people, I mean, even the experts, when you look at the statistics, they're right half of the time. So if they're right half the time, then we're all just as good as them, aren't we? We can all just guess one way or the other and we're just as good as them. It's 50-50, right? So I don't know. It's so simple. Things are so simple. You can make your retirement simple or you can make it complicated. Okay, annuities make them simple. You can buy an annuity contract or several, provide yourself the guarantees you want, and invest the rest of your money. And if you lose it all, at least you got your annuities taken care of you. It's just like Babe Ruth. He lost it all in 1929, yet somehow he was just fine because he was smart enough to have annuity contracts put in place while times were good. So that's my opinion on that. If you got questions, reach out to me. If you've got comments, please comment below. If you like the video, make sure you like it, subscribe, share. And of course, if you'd like to buy an annuity, please reach out to me. There's a link below this video, and I'd love to sell you one. If you're just wanting to know what they pay, go to my website, johnstevenson.com, and you will see the payouts. And then once you see the payouts that you like and you're feeling like, hey, maybe this is something I should add to my portfolio, then book a call with me, and I'd love to help you. So I'm not going to try to sell you anything, but I will be there to help you and guide you and take care of the process for you if that's what you're looking for. So if that's not the case, then enjoy the views. Enjoy the video, okay? You like Tahoe? If you ever wanted to visit here and you ever wanted to see what it looks like, well, there you go. I'm giving you a little bit of view what a beautiful place this is. So anyways, thanks again for watching. I do appreciate you, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.